I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your statement on Barclays online is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into online banking. Visit the Barclays website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using the correct username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Overview. Once logged in, look for the Account Overview section on the main dashboard. This is where you can see all your accounts at a glance. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the statement. Click on the account name to view more details. Step 4. Access Statement View. In Account Details, find the option labeled Statement View or View Statements. This will take you to your recent transaction history and statements. Step 5. Download or print. If you need a physical copy, look for the download or print options. You can usually find these at the top right of the Statement View screen. Remember, if you don't see the Statement View option, it might be due to account settings. Double check your account type or contact customer support for assistance. Happy banking!